Bruchim Habayim, welcome everyone. This week's parasha is Parshas Behaalosecha. We read in the book of Numbers 8, verse 3, Behalutcha et hanerot, instructing Aaron when he kindles the menorah lamps. The holy Rebbe Elimelech of Lizhensk, Zchuto Yagan Aleinu, writes, O Yamar Behalutcha Ku'okha et Pafa Kedam Daita B'Sefer HaKadosh Shefa Telbag the Mator. We can base our commentary on what is cited in the sacred volume Shefa Tal in his introduction. Tam lama she'amru Chazal kol ha'olam nizun kuvo, v'chanina b'nei dai lo kuva. What was the reason why the sages taught that God said that the entire world is sustained in the merit of my son Hanina? And my son Hanina only eats one small measure of carob every week. Vu davar tima lama be'emet lo yene gam hu bohiz. This is surprising. Why did Rabbi Hanina ben Dosa also not enjoy this world? The Shefa Tal explains with a parable. If one lights a small candle from a large torch, and he wishes to return the fire from the candle to the larger torch, then the fire of the torch will extinguish the candle. However, if you join several small candle wicks together, and create a torch from them, and then bring them together lit to the original torch, then you can join them together, and they will increase their light. Similarly, the Bible tells us in Proverbs that the candle of the Lord is the human soul, and the soul is a piece of godliness. However, it is impossible to return the soul to its source unless it is garbed in the mitzvot, which are spiritual lights. Because the soul combines with the mitzvot to create a torch, and then the light can be restored to the light of the infinite source, the Ein Sof. In the Shefa Tal, the explanation of how this relates to Rabbi Hanina ben Dosa is explained at length. We don't have time to discuss this now, but we can go back to it later in another video possibly. However, Zo, Behalutcha et hanerot, this is the meaning of when you lift up the candles, which is the literal translation of Behalutcha el kasher tochiach et Yisrael laharot lahem aderech haemet b'mitzvotav yata kedei la'alotem. It means to say that when you rebuke the Jews, to show them the way of truth by following God's commandments, in order to lift them up. Thus, Behalutcha means to lift up and set our souls to shine. Al mul pnei hamenorah ya'iru, pirush te'amer lahem she'em tzrichim la'or ba'or nishmatam el mul pnei hamenorah alyona, shu or en sof ba. Do so that you should cause them to illuminate toward the face of the menorah, meaning that you should tell them that they need to shine the light of their souls toward the supernal menorah, which is the archetype of the infinite light of the blessed Ein Sof. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell button for more content like this. We try to upload a teaching from the Noam Elimelech every Wednesday, although this week we were a bit late. We also post other weekly teachings and other material, so please stay tuned. God bless and good Shabbos.